Namaste everyone. Raksha Bandhan, a festival that beautifully transcends the boundaries of relationships and religion. I am Ravi Chatterjee, and in this video we will explore how the thread of Rakhi symbolizes the promise of protection and love, irrespective of the relationship dynamics. Raksha Bandhan, commonly known as Rakhi, is an ancient Indian festival that celebrates the bond between siblings. Traditionally, a sister ties a Rakhi around her brother's wrist, symbolizing her love and his promise to protect her. But did you know that the spirit of Rakhi extends beyond these traditional boundaries? Indeed, as our topic suggests, religion has no bar on relationships when it comes to celebrating the bond of Rakhi. Experts affirm that anyone can partake in this beautiful tradition. For instance, a wife can tie a Rakhi around her husband's wrist and vice versa. It's a heartwarming gesture that solidifies their promise to protect and support each other. Moreover, the Rakhi thread bridges the gap between generations. A daughter can tie a Rakhi around her father's wrist, symbolizing the unwavering love and protection she receives from him. At its core, Rakhi isn't just about the physical thread. It's a symbol of the emotional bond and the promise of safeguarding that bond. The intricate design and the colors of Rakhis carry a deep significance, reflecting the diversity and strength of relationships. In today's globalized world, where friendships are as diverse as our cultures, Rakhi extends its reach even further. Friends tie Rakhis to each other, reaffirming their commitment to stand by one another through thick and thin. So whether it is a brother protecting his sister, a husband supporting his wife, a daughter cherishing her father, or friends embracing each other, Rakhi embodies the universal value of love, protection, and unity. As we celebrate the festival, let's remember that relationships and love know no boundaries. Thank you for watching and wishing you all a joyous Raksha Bandhan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Happy Raksha Bandhan once again.